So check the quality of pumpkin you know. So I get good. See it? Not too bad. So yes, my people, you see it? That's why I'm telling myself if we grow something in the backyard, you see it? So we plant and we eat from our farm. So just go in the backyard and farm something. This is what I harvest out of the backyard. So we can keep on watching the channel. You get a lot of update on my pumpkin farm and also my traveling videos. Keep tuned. Big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. One love, one heart. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna give you an update on the pumpkin farm. You know, the other day Jamaica faced a cold front, right? So I already have a lot of breeze, but the breeze kind of turn over there and break up the pumpkin leaf. But we'll see if we can bring that back. Yeah, we have to use some 2020 well grow and see if we can get some fresh leaves. So yes, my people, yeah man, see it here. Yeah man, I'm gonna put on pumpkin already. So leave in the comment section if you like farming, guys. See, straight out, be a pumpkin, man, be a pumpkin. So normally you see it here, them things we talk about, the breeze cause the damage. So normally we do some pruning. So like these now, guys, I go through and cut these off so I can have some fresh leaf, right? Yeah man, see it there? Can I cut this off so we can have some fresh leaf. Upon that one, you know, guys, you see all this now? I just go through and just like cut it off right here. Yeah man, so you got some fresh leaves. Yeah man, just cut them off. So it's nothing like the country life and on the farm. Just like giving an update, you know, it's an update me I give you. Come on, Let's pull out them bush there. So look at these. Bees are working. It's a form of pollination. Man, your pumpkin go straight back out. Be a pumpkin, guys. So I giving a sneak peek in on the farm, showing what I go on. You man see pumpkin there. We have also cucumbers. We have okra. Some people call it lady fingers. We have everything on the farm. Yeah man, see here we have some tomatoes. Need to stick them up now. See there? Yeah man, them are beer. See them people. We have a cabbage same way. Sweet peppers. You see cabbage them roll up here. Yeah. It's a good look, my people. Nothing cannot beat the farming life.